Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a cabinet with mirror in the center. Alright, so here I'm going to use a Shilling Custom first, where I click to my wall and make one rectangle shape. Okay, for here I'm going to use let's say 1500 for the length, and the height I'm going to use as for 400. Okay, this one. Okay, I'm going to make it move downward a bit. Okay, alright. So this one I'm going to put barge as for only one value. Make it like come up from the wall. Right, so I'm planning to put mirror to this area as for mirror area lah. So I click complete. So I'm going to put texture to this area. Okay, material. I can go to glass. Okay, and use mirror. Mirror, this one, double click. So this one area will change to mirror. Alright, so after that, we want to put cabinet to this area and on top. So I'm going to use system cabinet. Okay, I'm going to use system cabinet. So for the bottom, I'm going to use universal cabinet. But this one, I'm just going to randomly use the size as what I used to my mirror. Okay, I will follow to my mirror sizing lah. Alright, so on top I'm going to use universal cabinet without anchor. For the top I'm going to use universal cabinet without anchor. Okay, and then I'm going to resize it manually as well, according to my mirror area. Okay, so this one is up to you lah. Alright, let me adjust first. Okay, alright. So in order for us to install the door here, okay, I'm going to use this install and use door. Click to this area and make it as for lift up. Click confirm. This one as well, I'm going to set it as for lift up and then click confirm. Alright. Okay. So the trick here, we want to put line to the cabinet, the yellow line. I'm going to use front riser. Okay, front riser, I'm going to use this one. Okay, and I'm going to put it in the center of my door, in front of my door. Okay, so this one you need to adjust it manually. Okay, make sure that it is put in front of the door. Okay. So I need 450. Okay. It's not a bit. All right. Okay, so in order to copy the panel in a few more panel to this side, okay, we need to set it so set the sizing first. Okay, maybe add another 10 on the bottom. Okay, and then to copy it to other way, just Ctrl C, Ctrl V to our right side, and the distance I'm going to set it as for 70, and the quantity might need another 3. Okay, you can see the distance between one panel to another panel is 70, and I have copied it to 3 panel. Okay, and you can continue to make it for 70 if you want some more. Okay, and it will copy to your right side. Okay, and if you feel it's too much, you can just press delete lah. Alright, so same goes to this one. I'm going to use as one panel, copy, paste, but this one I'm going to put top. Okay, distance I'm going to set is for 1000. Let's see, 1000. Click confirm. Okay, that was way too far. So you can just manually drag the panel and do the same thing lah. That's what we did to the bottom. Alright. So let's say you want to copy in few panel, the same thing, copy, paste. But this time I'm going to set as for the distance as for 150, and the quantity I might need for 3 maybe. I can click confirm and see the panel have copied it. Okay, same thing, copy and paste 150, and I need another 3, click confirm. Right? So basically this is how you make your own panel. Your own panel in the center. This one is for illusion lah, right? So let's say I want to change the material for the panel. Click material, and I want to use the gold color, right? Okay, so we can just use metal. This is the BMW gold knit, right? And then you can just use material brush and click it to the panel that you want to make as for the same material. Same goes to your door. You can change your door style. Okay, let's say you want to make as for stone, marble. Okay, I'm going to use this one. Double click. Those are too crowded. You can just delete to your panel. Okay, same goes to this one. If you want to use the same material to this area, just click and copy to your top. Okay, and then for carcass, right click to your wall, carcass material, and then you can change to anything that you want. So let's say I'm going to use lab. So everything will be changed. But this panel you need to change back lah to the color that you want. And then you can put your bed. So you see you want to use bedside. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. I'm going to resize it manually. Okay, so basically this is how you make your own cabinet with mirror and shielding by using shielding custom and also custom system cabinet. All right, so that's all for me. After you render, you can see the result will be turns like this. All right, that's all from me. Thank you.